In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a habit tracker with Clickup for beginners. Whether you're aiming to maintain a workout schedule, cultivate a reading habit, or simply keep track of your daily tasks, this will be an easy way to get your habit tracking system up and running in no time. To start off, open your browser and head over to Clickup, available at clickup.com. This versatile tool is designed to streamline your workflow and accountability, making it perfect for tracking habits effectively. Once you are on the Clickup homepage, locate the login button on the top right corner of the page and click on it. If you don't have an account yet, this is where you'll need to create one, but assuming you have an account, you'll want to click sign in with Google for quick access through your Google account. Upon seeing the list of your Google accounts, select the account you want to use by clicking on it. You'll be redirected to your workspace in Clickup where you can begin setting up your habit tracker. Look for the section labeled List and locate a small button with 3 dots, which typically symbolizes options or settings. Click on these dots. This will open a menu where you'll select the Templates option. Templates are a great way to save time, especially when you're new to setting up structures like habit trackers. Next, click on Browse Templates to explore the various templates Clickup offers. In the search bar that appears, type in Habit, which will help you find templates specifically created for habit tracking. Among the results, you'll see Personal Habit Tracker. Click on it to see more details about how it's organized and how it functions. Now click on the Use Template button to apply it to your list. At this point, you'll be prompted to name your habit tracker. Choose a name that resonates with your goal, something motivational or simple enough to keep you focused. Once named, click Use Template again to officially create your habit tracker. You'll now see a section labeled Habit on the toolbar or menu. Click on Habit to dive into the details of your tracker. Here you have the flexibility to edit existing tasks or add new ones tailored to your needs. This customization is key to personalizing your tracker for optimal efficiency. And that's it, you've successfully set up a habit tracker in Clickup with your new system. Stay consistent and soon you'll be seeing improvements in the habits you're working to build. Remember, tracking is a step towards achieving your goals, so keep updating your tracker as you progress. Thanks for watching and happy habit tracking.